I just posted this video 2 days ago and you guys absolutely loved it. I got a lot of positive feedback and I got lots of messages on my Instagram asking me how can I scale, how to do more specifics. In this video, I'm not only going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars a day with unlimited ads, but I'm going to show you how we can scale to thousands of dollars using a lead capture tool and by simply importing this done for you funnel over here, using this in our unlimited ads, not only to get sales every day, but to capture leads and build an email list. So now we can make money off all our unlimited ads and our email subscriber list with thousands of people to get constant sales passively every single day. This is a video you don't want to miss because you can use the strategy that I'm going to show you to make money with a whole lot of other things. You can think outside the box. You can use this for multiple ClickBank products, multiple affiliate products. You don't have to use this exact strategy that I'm going to show you, but watch how we're going to use this funnel and you can apply this with anything to make money online. You don't want to miss this one. I'm going to give you over $2,000 worth of bonuses in this video, as well as some coupons and free discount codes to various courses. So this is really going to be an epic value-packed video with tons of resources and information, all completely for free over here on YouTube. This is brand new unspoken stuff on YouTube, so I really don't want to waste any time and get straight into this. The first step is to make sure to leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Comment down below, I've been doing this in the last couple of videos, your favorite quote, and I will choose a random winner at the end of each video for a lucky $30 giveaway. So at the end of this video, I'll announce that winner, and also make sure you subscribe down below with the red notification bell on, as I would really want to send you a notification every time I upload an epic video just like this one, so that you don't miss the latest way on how to make money online. But without further ado, I'm not going to waste any time. Just to show you some of my earnings from this over here: $18, $18, $71, $71, $4, $71, $18, $112, $18, 161 euros, $18, $5, $71, $18, and this all adds up to a total of $6,435 so far, 639 euros and 112 BRL so far in this month so far. So just to refresh, to show you, this is my live dashboard and earnings from this funnel over here that I'm about to create and actually give to you in this video. You can see over here, this is all just reloading. There you can see that this is indeed refreshed in my live dashboard and not some kind of edited screenshots or anything like that, as you know, a lot of people show earnings on YouTube. So this is just to show you that this is live proof of my dashboard. But without further ado, we're going to actually continue with the first step. Step number one is we want to go and find an affiliate product. Now, like I told you, you can use any affiliate product that you can think of. I recommend use an affiliate product that has a monthly subscription base so that you can actually make a passive income and commission every single month of one referral. Meaning, let's say this pen over here costs $20 per month to have. Now, if I refer you and get 50% commission every month, you are going to get $10 every single month for the rest of your life. This is the same concept over here with a subscription base. So I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Firstly, we can use Builderall over here. I'm just going to come over to the websites, builderall.com, Kartra.com. We can also go and use ClickFunnels.com, and we can go and promote all of these as affiliates and get between 30 and 100% commissions for promoting these products. So over here we've got ClickFunnels.com. All you need to do is scroll down to the bottom over here. You'll see right at the bottom, if I zoom in on the screen, there's an affiliates tab over here. So you just click on affiliates, open this up in a new tab, and this will open up the affiliate sign up page. Then all you do is enter your first name, all these details over here, click on create your account, and you'll get 40% every single month for the rest of your life per referral. Same with Kartra over here. So Kartra.com, great alternative to ClickFunnels. These are all very similar tools and apply to every single user. So these tools don't really apply to a specific niche. These tools are basically funnel builders, email automation, and tools like that for anyone that wants to build an online business or a website. And millions of people build websites on a daily basis. So now we can go and use these affiliate programs to target that market and make tons of commissions. So same with Kartra, you scroll all the way down to the bottom, click on the affiliate program, and you can sign up over here completely for free. Number three, my favorite one over here, if we scroll up to the top, is Builderall.com. This is the tool that I've been promoting. Reason being, it's one of the cheaper tools and also one of the highest quality, and I find this tool gives a lot of bonuses to their affiliates. So for example, if I refer you, you exclusively get over $1,200 worth of funnels, which is what I'm also going to give to you, and that's completely free. So if you scroll down over here, you can see at the bottom of Builderall, there is an affiliates page over here. Click on affiliates. It will take you to this page. All you do is scroll down to the bottom and you can sign up as a Builderall solo affiliate. So these are my top 3 affiliate programs that I recommend you promote if you want to build a passive income business. I'm at about $6,000 a month on Builderall while I literally eat, sleep, and poop because of effort that I've put in months and years back. So this is a beautiful model over here of passive income. For those motivational speakers that say passive income does not work, it does, and I'm going to prove that to you. However, there is a little bit of effort required. Passive income doesn't just fall out of the sky onto your lap, but it can happen a lot quicker and easier than what you think. So again, over here, you click on apply, fill in all the information, and you can become an affiliate. Step number 2 is we're actually going to use Builderall to design and get our funnel over here, where we can go and import our done for you funnel. So I'm actually going to use Builderall to promote Builderall. That's actually kind of cool, but it fits perfectly because there's actually done for you funnels already to go and promote Builderall as an affiliate. So all you're going to do is, if you want to get Builderall with all these done for you funnels over here, you can click on the second link in the description. There is a free trial, or a $1, 15-day or 14-day free trial, and you get over $1,200 worth of bonuses. That's the second link in the description. And then once you've landed on your Builderall dashboard, it's going to look like this. Now over here, if you hover over apps, you can see all your different applications, from funnel builders, chat builders. You can build your own courses, mobile app builders for iOS and Android. You can build WooCommerce websites, WhatsApp automation, SMS messaging, Telegram automation, script generators, every single tool that you can think of that you need to market any kind of product. The tool that we're going to be using is Funnel Builder over here. Click on Funnel Builder, then it will pop up with this page over here. As you can see, one of my funnels over here that I'm using to make money with this strategy. You're going to click on Add Funnel over here. Just type the name, so we can go type lead capture, for example. For the theme, you can use any theme that you really like. I'm going to go and use the app funnel over here because I feel like this theme works the best for the specific product that we're going to promote, this case Builderall. Click on create funnel over here and it will automatically load up this funnel. The next page is going to prompt up with start the funnel. Click on that. You want to click on blueprints over here, and this is the best part. You can import done for you funnel blueprints that is honestly worth a lot of money, and that takes a lot of time to set up. It takes hours to design these kind of funnels. Now this tool is literally giving you the blueprint at the click of a button in seconds. We're going to go and use over here the lead magnet page over here. So what this is all about, you can see our first page is our capture page, where we exchange our lead's email address and name for a free product on this form over here. They then get a confirmation email where they subscribe to our email list, and they can then get their free product. Now after this, there's going to be another page, which is going to be our affiliate link directly to Builderall as an upsell. And this email marketing campaign gets you at least an extra 20% conversion rate, which is absolutely huge. That is an extra 20% of your income every single month that you can make just off your email list. The next step is you're going to click on generate site on the top right over here, and you can click on go to website, and you can see each and every page in this funnel. Let's go and start off with our lead magnet page, which is our front page. We're going to click on edit page over here, and we can then go and edit this page. And as you can see, this is what your default theme looks like over here. Now what we want to go and do is we want to go and find a free product to go and give away, obviously related to our main product, which is the Builderall affiliate program. So Builderall is all about building funnels, marketing, making money, promoting your products. So we need to go and find a product relative to that. That is easy. You can come over to a website called idplr.com, which is a free database where you can find over 12,000 products to use as your lead product to give away for free to your audience. So on IDPLR, we can just go and search for all funnel products over here. Click on enter over here on your keyboard. If I scroll down on this page over here, you can see this is the perfect product over here, the sales funnel optimization strategies. What we're going to do is we're going to click on sales funnel optimization strategies, and you're going to click on the download button to download it directly to your PC. Over here on your browser's download page, you will see the direct download link to your sales funnel over here. So that is step 2 complete, is to go and get our free product to go and use on our funnel over here. Step 3 is to go and edit our page. So all you want to do is replace this image over here with the cover page of this ebook, and we need to go and edit this title over here. For your title, you can copy the title of idpl.com and use that on your own page. And for the subdescription, you just want to make sure or mention that it's free or marked down from a huge price to give your audience an idea that this is a one-time exclusive offer. Now that this is complete, you just want to click on your form over here. You want to click on set list and make sure this is set to your form over here. So we can click on reverse opt-in page over here, which is the default form that created when we imported this funnel. Just make sure this is saved. This is super important that your leads are saved to a form so that we know which emails, so that we know which group of people and our email list to send out our emails to. The next step is we can save this page and continue to our next page in the funnel. So this is now saved. We want to come back to the page over here where we can view all the pages in our funnel. Let's go and edit the confirmation email page. Just click on edit page over here and we can leave this as is. This is actually already created. And the next step is we just want to go and edit the download page. Click on edit page over here so we can go and add our download link to this page over here. Now on this download page, we're actually going to change it up a bit. We're going to change this text and upsell them to Builderall. And what we want to do is we want to type here, claim an extra 2997 done for you funnels free. Open this up over here. Drag this title up over here, and this download button, we just want to go and change the text. So click on edit elements, click on headline over here, and we just want to type in claim and click on away. And now this is the button we're going to set to our affiliate link. So on your Builderall dashboard over here, you want to click on the affiliates tab at the top right, scroll down, and on the left you will see it says funnel club. Click on Builderall premium funnels, scroll down some more on this page until you get to a page over here where it gives you the first commission 5-day challenge. Take a look at this. If I copy my affiliate link and paste this in a new tab, this is where you can claim over $1,200 worth of bonuses with Builderall completely for free for the first 15 days. So that is why we are mentioning this is free over here, because it's free for 15 days. So yeah, you can see if I scroll down, you get everything over here. Instead of $1,288, all these bonuses over here, you get a free trial for Builderall for 15 days and then $79 a month to continue after that. That is stated on the page. Now, every time your lead pays the $79 a month, you get 100% commission your first month and 30% every month thereafter. So let's go and work this out. If I take $79 times 30%, that is $23 you're going to make every single month from one person for the rest of your life. Now you've got to look at it like this in terms of volume. If you get 5 people your first month, 5 people your next month, now you've got 10 people paying you every single month. If you get 5 people a month for a year, you've now got over 60 people paying you $27 every single month. If you get 10 people per month every year, that is over 120 people paying you $27 a month, which is well over $2,700 every single month for the rest of your life. So you can see how passive this becomes. Once your funnel is complete over here, we're going to click on publish. This is now complete. Emails done, ready for you. All the pages are complete. Now we can go and promote this anywhere you can think of. You can use free ads, you can use paid ads, you can use Instagram ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, free traffic, unlimited ad marketplaces, which is where we're going to go and start. So we're going to come over to free classified ads.com on your browser. On globalfreeclassifiedads.com, you can see all the categories over here. The one we are going to focus on is jobs and services over here. So what you want to go and do is you want to come up to the top over here and you want to click on post an ad. A couple of ads will pop up. Just close them over here. Click on post an ad. Then it will ask you for the category that you want to go and post your ad. Click on jobs over here and you will see tons of subcategories over here, from accounting and finance, education and training. So what we can go and do is we want to go and use education and training and information technology, as obviously this has got to do with web development. Let's go and click on education, training and library over here. I'm going to open this up in a new tab and we want to go and choose teaching jobs over here, and we're going to go and offer a free funnel ebook class and give that away. So over here you can choose, you want to go and choose 60 days, because the longer your ad is up, the more traffic you're going to be getting. And the title, all you want to type is free sales funnel optimization, free sales funnel optimization ebook / class. And what you want to type is here to download your ebook and get access to a total of $297 worth of funnels for free, click here. And this is where you want to put the link to your first page of this opt-in funnel over here. So that is the lead magnet page. Just click on go to website, copy the link to this page, come over to Google and just type in bit.ly. We're going to shorten our URL, and also we can track how many clicks it gets. So just paste your link over here, click on shorten and copy your new short link over here. Come back to your ad over here and paste your link over here. For your phone number, you can enter your phone number if you want to. Your street location, you can also type that in. For your location or region, I recommend choose United States, as you want traffic from top tier countries. And then what you can go do is you can just come over to Google and type United States address generator, click on enter over here. This we just need to actually go and activate our ad. This is not important, that's why we need this information. And you can go and copy this information over here, paste it over here, and click on your website URL. Also go and paste it over here, and you don't need any additional details. Click on next step and go and publish your ad. The next step is we want to go and replicate this and go and post it on as many ad places as possible. So what I did was I came over to a website called sitelike.org. I took global free classified ads, and I found tons of similar websites that also do classified ads like this that are getting millions of views total every single month. And you can now go and replicate your ad on all of these websites over here. So classifiedads.com, click on the link to classified ads, and same thing over here. You want to go and post a free ad. Again, you can just go and copy and paste, come over to freeadnet.one. You just click on this little arrow over here and it will take you straight to the website. Click on post a free ad here, copy paste. Same thing over here, Adland Pro, click on the link to this website, go and create another free ad and copy and paste. All the effort is done for you. Remember, your funnel is doing all of the hard work for you, and you want to go through all of these websites over here on sitelike.org. You can see how many of them there actually are, and go and post your ad on every single one of these. And the whole point of this is to build your email over here and get as many email addresses as possible so that we can go and send out daily emails every single day. What I'm going to do is to give you a free email course on how you can set up these specific free emails. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description or the pinned comment to a free email marketing course, and you can just use the Builderall Mailing Boss autoresponder over here, which is this tool over here. And also, if you click on learn more, it's going to take you to a free training database which will teach you how to actually go and master Mailing Boss and set up your automation emails. So firstly, you've got the free training over here, and I'm going to leave a free email marketing course down below with done for you email templates to use for your funnel over here, which is going to be getting you tons of signups on all of your ad marketplaces over here where you've posted all of your ads. So as you can see, this is a done for you business already set up. So make sure to go and click on the pinned comment. I'll leave it on the pinned comment, the course to how to set up your emails, as well as make sure to save this video and watch it again if there's nothing that you understand or anything that you don't understand, just to be clear on how to actually go and create your page. So Builderall is a really powerful tool if you're an aspiring entrepreneur and want to create your own funnels. As you saw over here, I literally created your own funnel done for you in 15-20 minutes in this video, which was really quick. So I just quickly want to announce the winner of yesterday's giveaway. So this person over here wins that 6-figure drop servicing university, which is the first link in the description. By the way, if you want to get that for $29 off, enter the coupon in the first link in the description. There's a coupon R next to the link, and you will get it for just $29, which is an intensive 57 video training program. You can see all the students' results on that page as well. And what I'll do is I'll leave a playlist over here to help you out with more Builderall training, setting up emails on Builderall, how to send emails every single day automatically without even touching a button yourself, and it's all an automated system. So this playlist over here will really help you out even more with this. So I recommend go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.